मैं मृणाल घिया अपनी पूरी टीम के साथ आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज का ये जो कार्यक्रम है श्री रूप मंजरी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वैदिक एजुकेशन कल्चर एंड कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज द्वारा प्रस्तुत है। मैत्री फेस्टिवल प्रस्तुत करते हैं सीक्रेट्स ऑफ सक्सेस। दिस इज़ बेस्ड ऑन शिला प्रभुपाद्स बंगाली पोएम वृंदावन भजन। Srila Prabhupada has mentioned in these prayers his life experiences and profound spiritual realizations. And these realizations are helpful for those who are the seekers of truth and who desire love of God, the highest perfection of life. Spiritual realization is just not like limited to the academic study of the books, the scriptures, but it also has to be realized to make it complete. Therefore, it is advised, like one should take the personal guidance and also one should study the revelations of the great realized souls to attain the God realization. And therefore, the study of these prayers by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada would be very helpful for those who wants to attain God realization. Srila Prabhupada had given direct lessons in these prayers, like how to avoid the pitfalls in our spiritual life. If we can identify those pitfalls, then we can improve and we can actually attain the love of God. Srila Prabhupada has written these prayers in Vrindavan, the land of Krishna. Why? Just to obtain the mercy of Sri Krishna. So now we will actually move on to next. We would like to call upon Her Grace Siddhi Lalsa Mataji. She is the founder member of Sri Rupa Manjari Institute. And as everybody knows, she has been serving for such long time, for almost 30 plus years. And she's engaging all the Matajis, girls in the service of Krishna. So she's going to talk more about on these prayers. So please welcome with big round of applause, Her Grace Siddhi Lalsa Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So we'd like to welcome you back for Maitri Festival. And we have chosen today Vrindavan Bhajan, which is a series of poems, Bengali poem written by Srila Prabhupada before he went to America. So Prabhupada retired from household life, grihastha life, and entered what we call Vanaprastha life. And here Srila Prabhupada is sitting in Sri Radha Damodar temple, and he contemplates what is the mission of life, what is the worth of the human life. And Srila Prabhupada is not just an ordinary Vanaprastha. At the age of 54, he entered Vanaprastha, but not just an ordinary Vanaprastha. Srila Prabhupada is a Nitya Siddha, and he's an eternal associate of the Supreme Lord, and he comes as a most powerful messenger of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Krishna. So Srila Prabhupada is in modern times. He's not just some bygone age to which we can't relate to, which is not relevant to us. So here in these poems, Prabhupada is going to trace our own journey from where we are today to what we can achieve. So we're going to start with the first poem. So sitting in Sri Vrindavan Dham, Srila Prabhupada writes this series of poems, Vrindavan Bhajana, imploring Sri Krishna to appear before him and give his darshan. This is a spiritual journey. I beg you all to please stay with us. We have 10 songs. It's going to consist of dance drama. So here, I would like you to concentrate very well. Sri Rupa Manjari Institute of Vedic Education, meaning that you're right now in a classroom. This is not just like an entertainment. This is a classroom. And if you will watch very carefully, and you will hear very carefully, you will be able to trace the journey back home, back to Godhead. It's the secret of success. So this first item, so Actually, these songs have been put very beautifully into ragas by Her Grace Anand Radhe Mataji. And there's some translation by our revered guest, Shri Mahaprabhu Prabhuji, who is here with us. So you will hear his voice, and you will hear a little bit from Mrinal and myself, who will try to give you a little thread so that you can connect one item with the next. So the first point is this, that Srila Prabhupada relates the story of life, of the common mortals. So what's happening? In course of time, we all have experienced who we consider our near and dear ones, the wife, the son, daughter, grandchildren, and everything is lost in course of time. And Prabhupada said that the material energy has revealed the naked truth to me. Maybe if I'm young, I believe that all my relatives are my support. But as we grow older and older, we realize that one by one we lose everybody. So this naked truth is revealed to Srila Prabhupada. So taking the position of an ordinary human being, he will now take us step to step back home, back to Godhead. So we start with this introduction and the song.
One is reminded that Srila Prabhupada resided in secret Vrindavan for many years after retiring from his life and accepted the renounced order of life. The gentleman sitting in Vrindavan contemplates how by the mercy of Lord Krishna he came to Vrindavan. He reveals that in his material life he had wife, son, daughter, grandchildren, etc. But he has realized that material family affairs are a fruitless opulences. This apparently become unmistakably apparent to him after losing his material wealth. Therefore, studying Vrindavan bhajans of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada gives us a rare opportunity to make progress in achieving God realization.